Today I'm at Ury Park in Inverurie where the Scottish Rewilding Alliance are launching their new manifesto. If you're not sure what rewilding is, it's basically about giving nature the space to thrive again, whether that's on land or at sea. Every Saturday there's a park run here at Ury Park. Families, friends, people of all ages are coming together to enjoy the outdoors. It's such a simple thing, but it shows how powerful green spaces can be when we have them, and people travel from all over to attend this space. Since the manifesto is being released in both English and Gaelic, I thought I would do a couple of easy Gaelic words with you, and the first one is nàdar, and that is nature. So imagine more places like this across Scotland. Woodlands for your children to explore, open fields where dogs like Brochin can run free. Another great word that we have is caille, which means forest. You can see behind me are some recently planted trees which will eventually make a forest. That means creating cleaner air and water and building a future where people and wildlife can flourish together. Because rewilding isn't just about nature, it's about community, well-being and hope, and it means protecting the simple joy of places like this, not just for today but for every generation to come.